So baka nagtataka kayo, paano ako napunta dito? Hindi ko alam paano sisimulan tong vlog na to be honest. Kasi, disclaimer, baka masyadong maging self-centered. Ayoko sana magmukhang narcissistic yung vlog na to. Pero gusto ko lang i-share yung magiging one last run ko sa darating na talent search sa school. Actually, I'm graduating, 4th year na ako. Next year, next sem, last sem ko na. And after that, hopefully, pag nakapasa, graduate na ako from college. So, this will be my one last run sa Battle of the Bands sa school. And I want to document some of it. Manalo, matalo sa darating na locals dun sa campus namin. Manalo, matalo kung darating kami sa clusters. And manalo, matalo kung mananalo kami. Or rather, aabot kami ng nationals. Kasi gusto ko lang gumawa ng something, a gift to myself. Tulad ng sabi ko, disclaimer, sana hindi magtunog self-centered. If ever man, vlog ko to. Pero what I'm trying to say is I just want to give something to myself for my 24th birthday next year sa March 17, 2024. Kumaga ina-advance ko na kasi bukod sa wala akong maisip na content for that date, I think this would be a nice small journey. So kahit ite-take ko to as of now, October, hindi ko to ilalabas until my birthday next year, which is March 17 sa 2024. Gago! So, yun ang context ng vlog nito. So, paano ko ba sisimulan? As I recall correctly, yun nga, simula ako mag-Battle of the Bands sa FCS, sa Faith Christian School, back in 2013. Iba-iba pa mga pangalan ng banda namin noon. Naging mainstay yung Beyond the Bend, which, if you were here during my early years sa YouTube, yung Adrenaline Lord pa tawag ko sa sarili ko, andun yun sa mga lumang videos na lagi kong pinopost yung band ng Beyond the Bend. So, since Christian school siya, nothing against that, na kailangan Christian song, pati Christian song composition. So, 2 songs. So, doon ako medyo naging legend sa Battle of the Bands, kahit di ako nananalo. Lagi kaming 3rd place nun eh. So, I don't want to use the word legend, pero big deal yung Beyond the Bend nun, kahit nawala ako, they were still contending. There were contenders every year, man. So, dun nagsimula yung pagbabattle of the bands ko. Inside the school. Meron rin ako mga outside ventures, pero basically dun nagsimula yon. So, come 2017, senior high na ako sa STI. May rules kasi na 3 to 4 members lang ang pwede sa Battle of the Bands. Unlike nung nasa FCS ako na 1 to sawa ang members sa bands. Nanibago ako. Sinuggest kasi sa amin noon na mas okay if magkakaklase para magkakalapit lang and madaling magkausapan. So since ako lang may drumming skills, I had to adjust. So from frontman, naging drummer ako noon. Come 2018, buo na yung undecided noon. Kaming 4 ni Dan, Beng at Bry. Kaso nung pagkagrad ni Bry, since 1 year higher sila ni Dan, lumipat siya sa WCC kasi nandun yung gusto niyang course. Bali natira kaming 3 ni Dan at Beng. May tropa si Dan, si Ivan Lim, which is now known as IVXN. Go check out his songs. Now, balik drums ako, tapos si Ivan yung vocals. Both years, di ako nakapasok sa Battle of the Bands sa auditions. Kaya nagtry ako sa labas mag-battle. Yung isang event sa Project Yeshua, pero as guitarist sa isang banda. Tapos isa naman is kinuha akong secret hugot drummer sa isang school battle, ganun. Parehas kong kasama doon si Ichan Maranan, bassist namin sa Crossout. Bale, doon na muna natapos yung pagbabattle ko ng senior high school days ko. Nung bumalik ako sa STI during the pandemic, walang Battle of the Bands for almost 2 years. So, come 2022, nung nag-loosen up na yung pandemic, nagkaroon ulit ng Battle of the Bands. I form a band, binubuo kami ni Jairo Sibal, na guitarist namin ngayon sa The Undecided, bassist namin si Dan, which is also from The Undecided and long-time bandmate ko na, and a new addition, si Van Halen Viola, which was recommended by Bry Tuazon, yung drummer namin sa The Undecided. So we formed Jared and the Rockroaches. Piyesa namin nun yugto and nakapasa kami sa auditions. Kaso, na-DQ si Dan kasi nagkaroon ng very technical aspects sa age during that year. So nabuwag yung banda and I gave Van to Pat. and they formed Insanity. Silang apat ni Marco, Donna, Pat, and Van. And they went to nationals. Kaso they ended up coming short and they lost. I have a couple of friends rin naman and fellow artists na sabing, I think consensus naman to sa lahat na bakit kailangan mo ipag-battle sa kapwa mo musikero? It's not a competition. Tama naman. Pero for me, it's like gusto ko lang mag one last run talaga. Kasi I started there. I wanted a proper closure. Manalo, matalo. Of course, pag natalo, sad. Pag nanalo, masaya. Siguro it's just closure. Alam mo naman sa buhay ngayon, mahirap magkaroon ng closure. Kasi takot tayong ma-open up yung pain, di ba? So, I just wanted to end things properly. Not on good terms, not on bad terms, pero to end things properly. As see it fit, if ever that's the term. Or rather, para, alam mo, get it off your chest. You know, you just gotta do that. Kasi, ilang years na rin ako try sa school na mag-battle of the bands ever since yung senior high pa ako doon. And kahit bumalik ako ng college, nang after na wala nung mga lockdown ng pandemic. So, yun lang masasabi ko. Bakit gusto ko gawin to for one last run? Kasi, yun nga, it's a proper closure to this part of my music life or music career. Like I said, gusto ko na sana mag-retire. Pero, I think it wouldn't be proper if it doesn't have a proper ending at the end of it. Fast forward tayo ng onte guys. First off, di pa Intensity ang tawag sa banda na yon. Dominance pa nga ang tawag ni Beng and may iba silang vocalist nun prior to the auditions. Magaling mag-sales talk si Beng, nagkaroon ako ng petty reason para sumali ulit. Kaya last minute before the audition, ako naging vocalist. So here are the members that formed Intensity. On bass, JB Beng Lucana, 2018 STI Orca Battle of the Bands local champion with the band Ganadorian Churi, and co-lead guitarist of the band The Undecided. On guitars, Van Halen Viola, 2022 Battle of the Bands STI Orca local champion, 2022 Cluster 1 champion, 2022 national finalist with Archipetrix Insanity, and constant sessionist and co-drummer namin sa The Undecided, pag wala si Bry for other band ventures or family stuff. On drums, formerly from STI Legazpi, Matthew Corteza of the indie underground Bicol-based band Misty Alley na may kaka-release lang na single called 26. Go check them out. And of course, ya boy, Jared freaking Isaiah. Cortado. Ginawa ni Beng Intensity under my request para katunog ng Insanity, para mukhang Team A and Team B. And also, inaasar siya ni Dan noon na Dominance Ice daw sa ML yung Dominance na name. So, pinalitan namin ng Intensity. At ganyan nabuo ang bandang The Intensity.
I don't get paid enough for this shit.
I don't pay you at all.
Gago! Tapos bilang ano?
Yeah.
Intensity!
So, nag-start kami mag-practice ng Intensity after ng auditions. Maraming nagulat actually na sasali pa ako. Pero ganun mind games kami ni Nabeng. Kami nga magtatropa, kami pa nagdulokohan. So, yun nga, practice kami. Every Wednesday yon except for one Tuesday and one Monday kasi parang may exam ata nun tapos di pwede si Matthew. So, yun, nakapag-practice kami and nakabuo kaming chemistry and choreo na rin sa practices namin and here's some snippets from those practices.
Good morning. It's past 4 a.m. Morning dito sa Kainta, tulog for Battle of the Bands. I need to get ready, wake up a bit, get my body in sync. Can't believe I'm giving this chance kasi last year, the night before, I was crying kasi yun nga yung nangyari kay Dan. Hindi disqualify siya, so the band except Van na binigay ko sa Acrobatics Insanity back then, we didn't get a chance to perform, so Jai gets a chance to perform and and get another chance. One last shot, one last run. Ika nga. Tawag ito, nung time na yun talagang ano yun, there was regret on my face, and to be honest, ayoko talaga sumali this year. A couple of factors triggered me to join, pero I think my friends are right na I would regret if I did not join. I do not expect that I would be the best, kasi that will leave my heart broken most times, pero the chance to give it all on the line today is what I'm looking for. It's my last year, so let's make the most of it, shall we?
So, guys, champion na naman si Napat. First runner-up kami na band sa ni
At least parehas.
Magandang gabi ka kasi. Tsaka pangit ang pagitan. Mali ka eh.
Sorry akin. Tapos papasok yung clip dun sa ano na magandang gabi ka kasi.
Ito yung clip.
Ayan yung clip.
Anong masasabi mo, Matthew? Wala, binaril ako eh. Huwag mo kasi, dapat yung binaril ka, flying kiss mo para siya rin mo. Tagal ko na lang. Oo nga, no? Binaril ka pala. Seth, paano feeling na champion?
Kinakabahan pa rin ako.
Kinakabahan ka pa rin?
Ay tapos na, kinakabahan pa rin ako.
May message ka ba para sa ano? Hindi pa naman ito lalabas agad. Sa March 17 pa ito next year lalabas eh. Birthday special vlog ko.
Birthday special.
May special message ka ba sa mga sumusuporta sa Insanity?
Champion tayo. Nationals.
Supply.
Wala. Gitarista.
May message ka ba?
Sa kanino?
Sa mga sumuporta sa Insanity?
Solid nyo guys.
May message ka ba sa mga sumuporta sa Intensity naman?
Lamunin natin yung stage. Ano yung sa interview ni Ibeng?
May message ka ba sa mga sumuporta ng Intensity?
Opo.
Ayaw, may message ba kayo sa mga suporta ng Insanity pati?
Ayaw magpa-interview.
May message ba kayo para sa lamunin lang nila?
You want
What the fuck are you talking about?
Gago! Those who supported Insanity and Intensity.
Next time, pinakita ko sa masasabi niya negative talaga. Magandang umaga next time.
Sorry akin ha. May masasabi ka ba?
Okay ba yun?
Nationals. Nationals. Nangangamay Nationals. Back to back, man. So long story short, nag-champion ulit si Napat sa locals and back-to-back champion na siya. Then silang apat din na Seth, Jai, and Day umabot ng clusters, nag-champion na rin sila dun sa cluster 1 and they went to nationals to win it all. Well, first runner-up tulad ng ganito yung Turim 10 years ago. So nabalik lang yung ranking pero I think they should have won. Like I really think they should have won. But they're still the people's champ, sila ang hinahanap, so I won't argue with that. That's a good finish. May napala. And congratulations to the four of them. Congratulations sa Insanity. Meron silang FB page, like nyo, that's sa screen, lalabas, Jai, labas mo. And I just think they should have been champs. If you have to argue that with me or may reklamo kayo, fight me. Complaint department's right here. Pero hindi yun ang topic ngayong vlog. So, back on topic tayo guys, sa birthday ko. So once again, yun na yung last battle of the bands ko ever. Well, well, ever. Let's be honest. Hindi ko na gusto yung capacity na ganun. Kumbaga, music is not a competition, but it's nice to have a healthy competition amongst friends. Pero kumbaga, hindi na siya para sa akin. Siguro na-outgrow ko na yun as I grew older. And kumbaga, mas gusto ko na lang mag-focus sa pag-create ng music with my band, with our band, The Undecided. Pabutin nyo ng 2K followers dyan sa screen lalabas. And pabutin na natin ng 1K subscribers yung YouTube namin, Jai, pakilabas sa screen. And yun nga, yun ang gusto ko sabihin na hindi ko na trick. Pero I think it has come to a conclusion na tapos na ang pagbabattle ko. And it's one way to, well, ito ang message na gusto kong ilahad sa vlog na to, sa aking birthday vlog, na we can stick to our roots yet change for the betterment of something. Kumbaga, find a way to reinvent yourself. Kumbaga, it's puro na lang kumbaga, no? Pero yun nga, I want to reinvent myself na without changing that much, pero kung may change ako for the betterment. Not just music career, but on myself. Well, I still get very strong tempers. Pero hindi na siya wala na siya sa point, guys, na tipong sobrang amok na amok ako. Nandun na ako sa tipong let it slip. Think about it, pag-isipan mo muna, mga sasabihin mo, mga gagawin mo. Marami rin akong na lessons na learn last year. And patanda, natetest yung patience natin, pero dapat mas namamature tayo sa patience natin. So again, reinventing yourself. Yun ang message ng vlog na to. And sa mga sumuport ng pagbabattle ko, first and foremost, gusto ko magpasalamat sa inyo. Sa kay Mama, thank you Ma. Pero salamat rin sa pag-support and pagtiwala sa akin sa pagtaha ko ng pagbabanda. Actually, yung grandfather ko, ganun rin actually. So, gets niya yung point. Thank you pala sa the rest of family ko, sa Negado family, sa Cortado family. Who else? Thank you sa mga dearest friends ko. First and foremost, The Undecided and the rest of the Undecided family. Kay Bry, kay Dan, kay Beng, kay Jai, and kay Van. And other members naging members ng Undecided, kay Andre, kay Ivan. Sa mga nagsisession sa amin dati, si Jin and Nove. Thank you sa inyo, guys. And sa tropa namin, yung National Legends, the rest ng tropa namin na galing Insanity. First and foremost, Pat, Marco, Donna, Dayday, Seth, Rayster, and Mike.
Alam mo mag-girl.
Pati rin pala kay Matthew, sorry pre, nalimutan kita, dami nyo kasi. Pero thank you rin, men. Thank you rin sa pagpalo sa amin ng Sunday. Thank you sa inyo. Thank you rin sa pag-share ng buhay nyo and talents nyo sa aming lahat, sa buong tropa. Hindi lang sa akin, sa buong tropa. The rest of the Music Orca fam, from our club advisors, Sir Angelo, and up to the last member from college to senior high. And previous members pa ng mga naging tropa rin namin. And thank you pala sa Jam Lemon Records, kay Sir Rob Ikiza and his family, and also sa the rest of the Jam Lemon Kalemons community. And thank you rin kay Sir Miko Ayala of Lotus Plus Productions and the rest ng Lotus Plus community. Too many to mention kayo. Andiyan pa si Sir Max, si Sir Lot, and ang dami talaga, guys. Sobrang hindi ko sila kayang ipagkasya sa isang video. So, thank you sa inyo lahat. Hindi man sa pagsuporta sa pagpadala to bands, pero pagsuporta sa kapwa nating artist. Napakalaking bagay yun, na pagsimpleng like, pag-share, tulad ng pag-subscribe nyo sa channel ko, pag-subscribe nyo sa channel ng Undecided, pag-like nyo ng page ng Undecided, paubutin nyo na ng 5K, please. Tapos yung YouTube, 1K. Pero biro, sobrang thank you kami sa inyo, and thank you, guys. Over the years, rather, over this past 24 years, ganun din, may malay na ako. Lost a father, lost some friends, lost loved ones along the way. Huwag tayong matakot na reinvent yung sarili natin. I think yung purpose ng vlog nito is not for entertainment or just a documentation. Gusto kong ang purpose ng vlog nito is serve as a message to myself years from now. Parang virtual time capsule na sinasabi na pag nawawala ako ulit sa landas ko, ito yung ano, let this be a reminder of what we have said to get us back on track. Yun lang naman ang gusto ko ipahiwatig sa sarili ko. If gawin ko man tong time capsule, siguro 10 years from now, 15 years from now, 20 years from now, ika nga is, kailangan na natin kumilos. Ang dami kong kailangan tapusin. After ng retirement ko sa Battle of the Bands, meron pa kaming thesis study na kailangan tapusin. Kailangan ko graduate, kailangan ko maghanap ng trabaho. What else? Kailangan ko matapos na yung EP ng Undecided. That is my goal this year. Gusto ko nang matapos ang EP namin ng Undecided because it's been a long time coming. Gusto kong i-reinvent ang sarili ko kasi yun ang gusto kong tema nitong vlog na to. Reinvention. Kasi minsan ma-oh-my ka eh. Pag ulit-ulit na lang, di ba? You need to stick to your roots. Oh, sometimes you must not forget yourself. Forget who you are. Rather. Pero yun nga, minsan we need to change for the betterment of stuff para rin sa atin. And yun nga, self-development. Marami tayong kailangan gawin yun habang patanda tayo ng patanda. I'm 24 by the time this vlog is released. Bata pa yun, still young. Pero hindi na tayo babata pa. Years later, when I see this vlog again, is that hindi na tayo babata pa dyan. Gawin na natin to. Kasi pag di natin ito ginawa, mas marami tayong i-regret sa buhay natin. Kasi hindi natin ginawa yun. Yun lang ang mensahe ko sa iyo years from now. Nagawa mo man o hindi man, gusto mong gawin o kailangan mong gawin. Yun lang. And lastly, gusto ko i-thank si Lord. Hindi mo lang masyadong good boy, to be honest, this past few years. Pero, dyan pa rin si Lord, gagabayan tayo niya. Gagabayan tayo ni Lord when we have times of trouble. Hindi lang gusto kong mag-thank sa mga message niya, sa mga message niya, hindi man hindi man directly, pero papahiwatin niya sa iyo yun in various ways. And sa mga, minsan through the people na ilalagay niya surrounding you. Thankful ako dun and thankful ako sa life na to, guys. So, dito na nagtatapos ang aking D-Day vlog. Sorry medyo bitin, pero marami tayong priorities ngayon. Pero yun nga lang, I think this is how we end the vlog. So once again, mga kabalbasan, this has been Jared Isaiah, and I'll see you on the next vlog.
Ingat sa iyong pag-uwi, sana'y magkita muli. At sa iyong pag-alis, baon mo ang yakap kong mahigpit.